recording. All right, move back a little bit. Get this in frame.
Oh, yeah.
All right, what we have here is a little device Andy Lawrence came up with. It's a watertight camera case for the 808 camera, which you see in here. Now, it's attached to the model through a piece of monofilament line made up of a vertical stabilizer. What I'm going to do now is turn it on, which means I have to access it. There's as you can see, it's an O-ring seat. This is the camera. It's looks like your standard 808, but it's high definition. These are pretty simple and straightforward. You press the button once, you see that light, you let go. When it starts flashing, that means you're recording, like so. That done, it's a simple matter to get the camera in place, reinstall the case, and rotate it back to where it should be, like so. So now we have the camera in place up against the glass. We've got this little towing fixture, and of course the line runs all the way to the stern of the model.
How long is that line?
We're looking at about maybe 3 foot.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go ahead and put the model in the toe in the water. There's the model. Shove it off a little bit. Wait for the line to run out and put the tow body in. Now I'm going back to the transmitter. And I'm going to get underway a little bit. We're going to stay on the surface here. This is our first evaluation run with the camera running. As you can see, the tow body appears to be stable. Even on the surface, the model turns relatively tight. I'd say we have a turning radius of about, maybe 4 foot. That's pretty good. And the tow body's following behind. Now we notice in the tight turn, the camera might just be capturing the image of the model. So I'll make my turns more sedate. I'm diving the boat now. And of course the tow will follow. Here, so yeah. And I'll take that a little bit more. And we're going to go deep. Desire is to get some good video, point of view from the tow body camera. I'm cruising here at about a depth of 18 inches, maybe 2 foot, and I'm going to firewall it. This is not as fast as it can go, but I don't see any pitching or yawing on the tow body, and that's a good thing. So I'll maneuver a little bit. We'll see what we can and can't do with the tow body. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. Now, I got to credit Andy Lawrence with making a very nice streamlined compact tow body. Good. Now I'm going to bring it back over to the side here, and I'm going to make a pitch change to the stabilizer on the tow body. The intent being to, okay, I think I'm losing a signal. So I'm commanding a blow. I've gone to all stop. The model is coming up sedately. Now, when you got a tow like this, you got to be careful not to go astern, or you're going to follow your propeller. There we are.
Okay, enough.
Keep. All right, go ahead and walk that way. Okay, that was a good run. And I'm going astern just enough to kill my headway, but not so much as to follow the propeller. All right, go ahead. Okay, I got it. Hey, would you grab the tow body? Better hurry.
No.
Okay, I'm going to turn this off.